guys, I'm Precious Stevens of the Posh Academy, and I wanted to let you in on my latest venture that's near and dear to my heart, which is the Posh Foundation Inc. That is my newly formed 501c3. Now, the first initiative of the Posh Foundation Inc. is actually the big Shift Enrichment Conference that's going to be here in Atlanta on January the 28th of this year. Now, this conference is actually designed to inject a new mindset and promote a new way to change the efficiency of the business outcomes of all of our attendees, right? We have some of the industry leading speakers that will be sharing their innovative strategies, their techniques, and also the tools that actually aided them in shifting their business to the next level, right? We here at the Posh Foundation Inc. would like to offer you an opportunity to support us as we serve the community at this amazing event. There are several sponsorship opportunities to choose from as we look forward to partnering with you. So feel free to solidify your sponsorship opportunities as soon as possible as this event is quickly approaching. I hope to see you guys on the inside.